So how do you detect NFC devices using iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now, it heavily depends on the NFC device in your phone because, for example, you might have seen like many of these like digital like business cards or whatever where you tap your phone and it will be recognized. So if it's of that kind of like specific type, technically it is the URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. If it's that NFC tag, your phone will be able to like read it. If it's, containing like a web link or a phone number or something like that, you'll be able to just pick it up with your phone by placing it closer to it, right? So, it's not really that hard if the NFC tag has been specifically designed with that purpose. However, you can also utilize some different tools. For example, there is an app on the App Store which is called the NFC Tools, and this application lets you control the NFC specifically. For example, you might buy, I know a lot of people buy like the blank NFC tags from Amazon, which don't really have anything stored in them, and you can use this app to write something into the NFC, right? So you can read it through this app and also like import some information into it. There might be some NFC tags which are locked and cannot be edited. So as I say, it heavily depends, but using the NFC Tools app can go a long way because you can, read the information about it and also edit it if it's possible. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. This was just a very quick information guide of how it works. For more in-depth tutorials, let me know what you want to see next and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.